In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a WordPress page. Duplicating a WordPress page can be a great way to streamline your workflow, especially when you're looking to replicate a certain layout or format over multiple pages. Let's dive right in and explore the steps to make this happen smoothly. First things first, we want to start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub for everything you're managing on your WordPress site, so it's crucial to have easy access to it. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the menu on the left and find the Plugins option. Plugins are valuable tools that allow you to expand your website's functionality without needing to code manually. Next, go ahead and click on Plugins. Here, you'll see you're met with a list of plugins that are either already installed or available for installation. But what we want to do now is look towards the top of the page and click on the Add New button. This will take you to a new page filled with various plugins you can add to your WordPress site. Now, we are specifically interested in a plugin that allows us to duplicate pages. So, in the Search Plugins field, type in Duplicate Page. This search will bring up a range of plugins related to our search term. Scan through the list and identify the Duplicate Page plugin. This specific plugin is widely used and highly rated for its simplicity and functionality, making it ideal for our needs. Once you've identified the correct plugin, you should see a button labeled Install Now next to it. Click on this button to start the installation process. Installing a plugin is fast and typically takes only a few seconds. After installation, the next crucial step is to activate the plugin. Without activation, the plugin won't be functional on your site. So, go ahead and click on the Activate button. This step ensures that the plugin is not just sitting dormant, but is ready for you to use straight away. With our plugin activated, we're almost there. At this point, head over to the Pages section on your WordPress dashboard. This is where all your site's pages are listed. Navigate to the page you want to duplicate. Once you're there, you should notice a new Duplicate This option under the page title. This handy new button is thanks to the plugin we just installed, and it's the tool we've been setting up all along. Click Duplicate This, and you'll see that WordPress creates a copy of your selected page. And just like that, you've successfully duplicated your WordPress page. It is now ready for any modifications or reuse as you see fit. Congratulations, you've done it. By following these simple steps, you can easily duplicate any page in WordPress, making your website management more efficient and convenient. Thanks for watching, and happy duplicating.